Good evening, everybody. This is DeAndre, your host for the Bourbon Room, and I'm sitting here chilling, watching the game and having a little bowl of ice cream and cream. And I was like, man, you know what would pair really good well? And that's Knob Creek 12. I was able to pick this bottle up from our local Golden Ox Liquors in town. Man, Knob Creek really knows how to do their stuff. At 120 proof, you would think it would bite really, really hard, but it does not. The nose is super floral, a little bit of nuttiness, more like a baked apple pie